Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to change new still image length in Davinci Resolve 18. Okay, go to this menu Davinci Resolve, then choose the preference. Then you can there is two tabs, system and user. Go to user, then go to editing tab. You can see there is a function for default length of still image. Okay, standard still duration. I give here, you can set frames or you can set to seconds. I'm setting 5 seconds, sorry 4 seconds, and just save. Okay, now you can easily insert a new image. I'll show you pictures. We are drag and drop this picture here. It is automatically come to there is 1 minute 42. It's 1:46, 47. Okay, new still image length now is 4 seconds. Okay guys, if you this is a very simple tutorial, and if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.